Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry penne pasta. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add about 8 ounces of penne pasta and cook it according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from clumping together, ensuring a perfect texture for your stir-fry. Next, let's get those vibrant vegetables cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like sesame or vegetable oil, in a large wok or a deep skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chopped vegetables, perhaps a cup of sliced bell peppers, half a cup of broccoli florets, and a quarter cup of shredded carrots. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want them to be crisp tender, retaining a slight bite, which adds wonderful texture to the dish. Now it's time to introduce your protein and the flavorful sauce. Push the cooked vegetables to one side of the wok. Add about 4 ounces of thinly sliced chicken breast, shrimp, or firm tofu to the empty side. Cook the protein for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is fully cooked and lightly browned. Then, pour in your stir-fry sauce, a delicious blend of soy sauce, fresh ginger, and minced garlic, ensuring everything is coated. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Add the pre-cooked penne pasta directly into the wok with the stir-fried vegetables and protein. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss all the ingredients together. Ensure the pasta is thoroughly coated with the savory stir-fry sauce. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Serve your stir-fry penne pasta immediately, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and fresh green onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.